Are you confused about different cloud types? In this video, we'll clarify public, private, and hybrid clouds. By the end, you'll understand which cloud suits your needs. Let's break it down step by step. First, we have public clouds. These clouds are accessible to everyone. Popular examples include AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. Next, we'll discuss private clouds. Private clouds are meant for enterprise use. A great example is Dell's cloud offerings. Finally, let's talk about hybrid clouds. Hybrid clouds combine public and private clouds. This provides flexibility and scalability. Public clouds are for everybody. Private clouds serve businesses. Hybrid clouds blend both worlds. Consider which cloud type fits your needs best. Call us 1800 891 3982. Thanks for watching.